Guess what? Here's the cat piss house, which no longer smells like cat piss and looks a whole lot different than what it is and what it was. So, first to show you the landscape, and it's coming along. They're putting the driveway in. Got a bunch of rocks, retaining wall rocks. We got rid of all the vegetation that was around. And we put up this nice little fence blocking us from the road, which to me makes all the difference in the world. And here's the drive up to the road. Here's the portalet. I know you guys have never seen one of those. We had all the trees cut back. Our neighborhood. This is the retaining wall. But a lot of this, we'll walk around the yard first, then we'll go inside and see what we have happening in there. We left these trees to kind of like give a little vegetation in the backyard. Still the fence. All Anderson windows. Lights from warehouse-lighting.com. Many of you know that's the company I started 20 years ago. Still running strong. Please buy your light fixtures from them. Warehouse-lighting.com. There's my little stab at promotion there. Here's the yard, which looks a lot better. This is going to be just kind of natural. And then over here, we're going to have all the way through, we're going to have grass and an irrigation system. We put on the back deck, which is way bigger. We got a 12-foot slider, I think that, oh, I'm sorry, no, 10-foot slider on the one to kind of open up the backyard. Brand new roof, brand new Anderson windows, all Kohler inside, as you'll see in a minute. And got a little bit of a yard here going on. Pretty decently quiet over here, even though that's a little bit of a busy thoroughfare. This is going to be removed and replaced. It's ugly blue. We added window there, moved a window over. And back to the front area. It's a really big yard and what can be well landscaped. We did this bluestone. I think this is really nice walking up to the front entry. We have vegetation here. It looks like they saved some stuff here. Replanted it for us. But yeah, this bluestone looks really nice coming up. And this will be all like shell and shale and all of that. All the way around there'll be a parking area here. And then it'll wrap around and then down. And the front of this will be stone, kind of like my neighbors right here. Right in front. There's plenty of room to put a pole in here. I thought about doing it ourselves, but we haven't done it. Again, another light from warehouse-lighting.com. I'm gonna type in the code so you guys can't see it. And here we go. All new doors, all spray foam insulation, accent wall. Nice floors, have not been finished yet. They're going to be finished here soon. And look at this woodwork we put in here. The guy who did this was really meticulous on everything. And look at these doors. It's doing the trendy knobs, you know. And here's the counter. And the one thing I did was I screwed up the cabinets, so it's taking a little longer than what we needed. But look at the waterfall edge on these. We're gonna have an inset microwave right here, which is gonna be cool. Gonna be a stainless steel hood coming down here, is already here, ready to go. Like I said, everything here is Kohler. Nice faucets, nice stainless steel sink. Haven't put any appliances in yet, but that's to come. It's going to be a kind of a cabinet there. And then, yeah, but look at that woodwork. As we come back, this is our laundry room. It's gonna be stackable, you know, dryer, washer. In the first room, good accent wall. We got all these nice wafer lights, really highlight the room. And then look at these bathrooms here. Let me get rid of this. All, like I said, all Kohler. Look at this shower. Is that not the nicest tile work you have seen? All slants forward, all granite and tile and beautiful. Kohler toilets right there, folks. Again, there's a linen closet. Plenty of room to store your linens. And then you got another room with accent wall. Look at how well done this accent wall is. And this is actually kind of a great closet. You know, you always need that extra closet space in a house, so I made this one a lot bigger than what it was supposed to be. And that'll help store all your stuff in there. And all the doors line up perfectly. Then here's the master. Just enough room to put a king-size bed here with 2 windows and 2 tables. Do you see how there's an outline around this here? I made that so that you could, well, I didn't make it, but I told them to make it like this so we could put LED lights so you could have this whole wall highlight itself, which I think is a good addition. I tried to put the LED lights in today. The sticky stuff wouldn't stay, so we're gonna have to do that in a later project. And then you got a nice big slider right off your deck. And eventually it'll be plumbed for an outside shower right here. You know, which will be nice. It'll be awesome, be awesome. And as you walk through this, you can see there's 2 closets going in. Look at that woodwork again. Is that not the nicest woodwork you've ever seen done in a house in today's age? My carpenter is meticulous. And at the end of this job, we'll give him a shout out. But another closet. Those were the lights that I got that didn't quite stay stuck on there. Then you got this master bathroom. Whoops. Watch what you do with those. And you've got 2 vanity lights here, which we already have. This will be a cabinet, you know, with for your towels and all that. And then look at this shower. You got a rainfall shower head. Then you got all sorts of tools to use for cleaning up the trades. And then slanted floor. I'm gonna do this at my house in Wisconsin too. This is just absolutely incredible tile work. I don't know why this is here, but you know, we'll get rid of that. And then, like I said, all Kohler, ready to go. You know, just absolutely gorgeous. And look at these sinks. Kohler again. You know, can't pull these drawers out with my bare hands right now. I've got no handles. But the handles are here, they just haven't been installed. Then the toilet that just went in today. This sucker will be done hopefully by the end of July here, because I gotta get it, well, it's on the market now. And we just gotta get her sold so I can move on to another project. So, if any of you watching this video are interested in a house in Chatham, Massachusetts, which is right in the Cape Cod area, you know, please give me a text message or send me a shout out, and I'll help you get hooked up with this property. Hey, let's go out to the garage. But look at how opened up this is. You could put a huge table here, you know? And then you got, you know, probably 4 seats across here for counter eating. Then you got a huge garage, which we put a nice little area for all your gardening tools and whatever you need, project stuff. And you got an area for a nice refrigerator here. And again, light fixtures from warehouse-lighting.com. Let's see what this is. I don't know what that is, handles probably. But completely nicely done. I think, you know, one heck of a property for whoever's here. Brand new garage door to give it a good look and a facelift to the front of the house. So now you kind of see what I've been working on. Actually, I haven't been working on it, but what I've had people working on. You know, if it was closer to home, I'd be working on it more, but yeah, a little garbage. We'll put that. But yeah, there's our 10-foot slider. Tell me you see these in many houses. I mean, this is just gorgeous. Watch this thing open. And then, you know, you've got all this room to come out to this beautiful deck. And you know, if you want to put a little lap pool in here, that would be awesome. That would be awesome. But, you know, here we go. Those lights are going to be here. Not sure why they haven't been installed yet. I actually think that's not the light for that. I think that's supposed to be over here. And there's a bigger light, I think, for that position. But we'll tell the contractor and see what he's got. I'm not sure why the Mazak board hasn't been painted back here, too. This is all supposed to be painted and filled. But, yeah, that's interesting. I would figure this stuff would be done. But we'll check it out. We'll ask him and we'll get back to you guys on it. That's locked. We're good to go. But hit me up if you're interested. It's a beautiful property, great area. You know, great views of woods and neighbors. But we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.